How to set featured image in Wix blog. The first thing you want to do once you're on Wix, you can select the blog post that you would like to add the featured image on, or you can start creating your blog post. So let's say for example this blog post. Once here, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're just going to tap right where you see settings. After tapping on settings, you're going to see the option featured image, and you can upload an image that you would like to set as your featured image. For example's sake, you can see this image right here on my blog post. It is set as a featured image. So all I would need to do, if I would like to change it, I could simply tap on remove, and then from there I could upload a featured image. Keep in mind your featured image, as you can see right here, it doesn't have to be displayed at the top. It can be inside of the blog post, as you can see right there. Once they are finished adding your featured image, you're just going to tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.